Welcome to the Diania mobile application, an application created by SciFi to support people with onset dementia as well as their caretakers. Through Diania, you can find activities adjusted to every mental level that, in combination with the medical treatment, help the patient to remain functional and active and to spend quality time. These activities are divided into three categories: mental exercises, creative activities, and stories. Let's see in detail what you can do with them. Mental exercises. Pencil and paper exercises that can be printed. When the exercise is completed, the caretaker can process the Done Today button. Divided into two difficulty levels, normal and hard. Here we can find attention, memory, speech and thought, and executive exercises. Creative activities. Small, daily routine activities that the patient can practice. Storytelling. Short, fun stories where after the patient reads the plot, there are individual exercises about it. The caretaker, health professional or relative of the patient can find the appropriate exercise for every occasion and print it by pressing the corresponding button. In the Diania application, the caretaker can find a series of exercises and links to sources in order to unwind and strengthen psychologically after the hard work. Download for free the Diania mobile application for Android and iOS and take care of your loved ones.